PreVeil makes it easy to send email messages that are encrypted end-to-end. It works with mail apps like Outlook. When you add PreVeil to Outlook, it adds a second mailbox for your encrypted messages. Your regular mailbox is unchanged. There's a banner showing that these messages are not encrypted and should not be trusted, like this email message with a phishing attack shown here. When you click on your encrypted mailbox, you can see your sensitive information, like company financials, and there's a banner showing that these messages are encrypted end-to-end. When you create a message, PreVeil will automatically encrypt it based on its recipients. If you send to people who are already members of the PreVeil system, it will automatically turn encryption on. If you add someone who's not a member of PreVeil, it will assume you don't want to send the message encrypted and it will turn encryption off. But you can change that with this encryption toggle switch. And if you turn encryption on and you include someone who's not a member of PreVeil, they will get an invitation to join. They won't be able to receive the message until they join PreVeil and install the software. You can change font styles and sizes, use attachments, everything you're used to doing when sending a message. PreVeil works with other mail clients like Mac Mail and Gmail in a browser. Here's Gmail running in a browser with the regular, not secure mail messages. But there's a Secure Messages tab on the left here that contains the encrypted messages with our sensitive information, including the email we just created a couple of minutes ago. Composing messages uses the regular Gmail interface. We put an orange stripe next to a recipient to indicate that they're a member of the PreVeil system, and you can turn encryption on or off using this toggle switch. PreVeil also works with mobile devices, iOS and Android, using the PreVeil app. Tap the PreVeil app, there's biometric authentication to get you in, and then here are your secure messages. In all these examples, PreVeil was installed on a user's machine because the software locally manages the encryption. But what if you're sending to somebody who is not allowed to install software on their machine? They can use web PreVeil. Simply go to a web browser, type in web.preveil.com, and enter your email address. Now, usually, mail systems are authenticated with an email address and a password. PreVeil doesn't use passwords, uses a private key stored on the device. So you can use your mobile phone for the private key. Launch PreVeil, tap Login to Web PreVeil, and you'll see this QR code appear in the web browser. Camera is automatically enabled on the phone. Hold the phone in front of the QR code, and that allows a temporary version of your private key to be transferred to the mail browser so that you can send and receive your secure messages without installing PreVeil on a computer. PreVeil makes it really easy to send and receive email messages that are encrypted end-to-end.